Base Metal Customs. First of all, you're with Twisty and Jesse today, and we are on a little venture to go to Brisbane to pick up a Japanese imported car with a turbo, and it is getting very sought after. Honestly, don't know how long that's been flat for. Is that bad? So we've got a flat tyre, as you can see. It's red hot on the side, which means it's been riding the rim for a while. But this road is the notorious worst road in Australia. So we're going about 40 k's an hour. It's got a little bit of pressure in it, but we're like a minute from home. 1 minute from home after a 7-hour trip, 8-hour trip. Typical, isn't it? Let me get the little air compressor, see if I can put enough air in it to get us home. Fuck. Because we're so close to home, I just showed you there, just jammed in one of those tyre puncher worms, whatever they're called, and just put a bit of air in it just to limp it home. And yeah, I'll swap it over with the spare tyre when I get there, but just a lot easier with the jack and everything rather than doing it on the side of the road. Alrighty, so this is the new toy RB20 S13 Silvia. I didn't care what model I got as long as it was a Silvia because they're going up in price really quick. But I wanted to get in now before they get stupid dear, and they will because they're not making any more of them obviously, and they're used primarily for drifting, right? And that means they're going to get written off, unrepairable, so the numbers are only going to get smaller, and the smaller quickly they will. So yeah, I got in now. This one's pretty good. It had a boost issue when we first got it in the first video. It was only actually running 6 psi, and we ended up finding out down here that the wastegate lever was adjusted too far open, so it wasn't actually closing the wastegate, or wasn't actually building boost. It was just going straight out the exhaust. So we adjusted that, played around with this boost controller here as well, which is a reference line, and what else we do? Wiring. Oh, that's right. So I redone all this wiring here. It had some mice chews through it, so I just tidied it up for now. I will get a top plate for that. And yeah, look, even these injectors, they just pull apart. So it does have a lot of wiring gremlins, as in it needs to be tidied up, get all the proper clips. The under the dash is just ridiculous. All right, so my GoPro has died again for the audio, so I'm just going to do this last bit with a voiceover, so sorry about that. So this is the interior. It's not the best, but it's got the usual cracked dash for the Silvias and aftermarket stuff bolted on everywhere pretty much. I've got new boost gauges. Look, I must be honest, it's pretty haggard, I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to fix it. I need to get new door cards, remove these sheet steel that's on it now. So I've got to do the full wiring again. I've got to do some solenoids and some switches and fuses, so that's going to be the next step, and tidy this old girl up. So yeah. Alright guys, that's it for today for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this, something a bit different from my usual stuff. And yeah, if you like this different type of car and the awesome turboness, smash that like and think about subscribing if you haven't already. So thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I'm going to try to sort out this GoPro for upcoming videos because it is a pain in my butt. Have an awesome 2024. Big start to this year for us, and hopefully you have a happy and prosperous new year too. So I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.